People ask us why Handicap This is so successful.
Well, we could say it's successful because it's a true story. Everything the audience experiences already happened to us.
We could say it's successful because we use humor to explore serious subject matter.
Or we could say it's successful because we give a voice to a community that is so often overlooked.
But the real reason we're so successful is because of you guys, our fans.
Yes, our fans. We have from over 7,000 fans on Facebook to over 3,800 followers on Twitter.
To the countless number of you that have seen us perform live on stage.
It is because of you. You guys fuel our creative juices and our passion to do the show.
So once again, we would like to thank you because without all you guys, we couldn't do this.
So thank you for supporting us.
Thank you. And this is Mike.
And this is Tim. And together we are
Handicap
This. Bye-bye.